Hi there, Ashfak here, and I'm here to help you get your dream job. Okay, so over the last 7 years, I've trained more than 50,000 students to go ahead and get their dream jobs in their desired domains. In this video, I'll be talking about 3 common practices of every job seekers. Okay, so the first one is identifying your need. So if you're a student or a fresher, you might need that if you're not yet placed, the need here is to get placed or get an off-campus job, right? So basically to improve your social status, that's the first need. Okay, or if you're a working professional, you might realize or you might identify that you need to change your job or change the domain. Okay, so first is that practice, that is identifying your need. The second practice is usually once you identify your need, you start applying or updating your resume. Once you update your resume and start posting your resume in every job portal. Okay, this is the common practice of every job seeker. The third common practice of every job seeker is start applying. So basically in start applying, you might follow 3 to 5 steps here. First is you'll update your profile. Okay, and second thing here is you might visit different career pages and apply. And maybe the third important thing here might be, the third common practice here might be asking for referrals, okay, to your friends or your colleagues or something like that. And the fourth common practice here is approaching job consultants or anything, or job agencies here. And finally in this segment, one more point here is applying through premium accounts of Naukri.com, monsterjobs.com, Indeed, Glassdoor, or LinkedIn Premium, anything as such. So these are the common practices which are being followed by each and every job seeker these days. Okay, so to sum up, basically every job seeker, he practices only 3 things. One, identifying the need, what does he want and why he wants a job. Second thing is updating the resume and start applying to every job portal. And then third thing is obviously applying through referrals and career pages and all that. Okay, so these are the common practices, and in the next video I'll be talking about what are the different ways or different approaches you should follow instead of following these common practices. So if you want to know more about this, look forward for my next video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel.